Hi, this is Cynthia of Day Trade Forex, and I'd like to thank you for visiting my website. And if you're interested in learning how to become a Forex trader, then you're at the right place. I've been trading Forex since 2002, and I'm the author and creator of several color-coded MT4 trading systems, and this is my latest trading system, which I've created just for newbies who are interested in learning how to trade Forex. And I call it Green Tomatoes for Newbies. And I've created a PDF guide, which is free for you to download. And it will teach you everything you need to know about how to become a successful Forex trader from A to Z. So if you're interested in learning everything there is to know in a very simple guide with short videos teaching you how to set up your MT4 trading platform and how to download your first trading system, which can be my Green Tomatoes for Newbies. I developed it especially for newbie traders who are interested but need a very simple trading system. So this is my most simple trading system I've ever created. It's very, very easy and very profitable, and I know you're going to enjoy it. But first we need to get you educated enough to know what to do. And if you download my free Getting Started PDF, then you'll have everything you need to know to get you started. So go ahead and fill out the form below, and you'll immediately be redirected to the free PDF guide, which is yours to keep, and you can also share it and pass it around to friends or family that you think might be also interested in learning how to trade Forex. And also look for an email which will have the PDF link again in case you need it for later. And you'll receive more information about my new Green Tomatoes for Newbies, my new MT4 trading system created just for newbies, just for you. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you inside of the PDF with the short training videos.